We are fishing with Jay. Jay's got one on the line, and this is Polk over here.
He's a big one.
Polk.
Oh.
What is it?
Did you get off?
Yeah, little skate.
Another skate.
He's
Oh, little
guy.
skate. We're getting a little tired of catching these skates.
Yeah.
If they were edible, we'd be happy.
I think you could eat
But I don't think they're edible, are they?
I don't think I want to try.
Okay. We can have skate sushi here.
He's ugly.
But hit a beautiful sunset. Beautiful day on the water here. And this is Jay and Polk, my good buddies here, helping me fish. To try and teach me how to fish.
Grab his tail. Look at
that barb.
Yeah, see that barb now?
Oh, good googly and moogly. Okay.
There you go. That's a barb.
Look at that barb right there.
Sticks you that, you're stuck.
You don't want to mess with that little thing. No. You be careful, Polk. Be careful.
Hey!
That little guy would be the worst.
Come on now, give me it back.
Yeah, too bad I wasn't a big.
Beautiful sunset here this evening.
Which way does the hook go?
The temperature is so cool and dry for July. This is just amazing. We'll take it anytime.
Absolutely. Only in North Carolina.
Only in North Carolina.
You won't give me the hook. Oh, hey!
There you go. All right.
All right, we're not putting anything else on that. This one.
Goodbye.